What's up YouTube, Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Funny Birdy Gator. You guys know where I am. I'm in Dollar Tree and there's some new decor over here. I think this lights up. The balloon dogs are back. These little cute plaques are back. Little signs. They have some new wax melt burners. And I think some of these crosses are new too. Whoa, even more wax melt burners. Look, you guys. Little flamingos. Still no back to school items in my store. These are new in my store though. Road trip fund, that's cute. These are little glass jars. Retail therapy. Vacation fund. Has anyone tried the new makeup? I don't know if there's any new makeup this week. This palette might be new from LA Colors. This is always nice. The Dove Beauty Cream. It says beauty cream, but I thought it was a hand cream. I'm looking for a particular toothpaste, and I think it's this one, Colgate Sensitive Complete Protection. That's just 1.3 ounces. This is a toothpaste I can't find at Walgreens, so whenever I coupon, I can't find these at Walgreens, which is really a shame because over at Walgreens, they always have so many deals and point deals on toothpaste. So I think I'm gonna get these for my husband here because this is his favorite. He is very, very loyal to this kind. I really love getting these here for Gator too. These are the kids' plackers, flossers. I think these are new this week. The Ricola. Ooh, and they have Halls. And I really love these. These are a really close dupe for Hall's Defense. Look, you guys, this is definitely new from Bolero. Hydra Mist Coconut Water Body Wash. The facial wipes, you get 30. They have a face wash, a facial serum, and this is all in coconut water. Hand cream, bath soap, and hand wash. Let's go see what Gator's looking at. What'd you find, buddy? A light up top? Try me. How do you try it in the package? Oh. That's kind of cool.
It actually doesn't light for that long. It lights up longer. Wanna why?
Why, honey?
It's free out of the box.
Yeah. Oh, look.
It'll light up. Yeah.
They have a lot of them over here.
I like the
They have a lot of light up tops. I thought you had a light up top.
No.
Has anyone tried these? Let us know if they're good or not. They still have the little finger skateboards. Gator got these, I think for Christmas in a stocking. They have these little slime squirters. Also the brown one. These are kind of cool. Vacation. It's like a little 2-piece or 3-piece set. Hot Wheels, Motosaurus. And they also have Maestro cars. The Maestro cars are really good. They're also die cast. I think some of these hair accessories are new. Those are cute for babies. Really cute. They've added a lot of rollers and hair curlers too. My store has lots of barrettes right now. Even the tiny ones. I think some of these scooncy clips might be new. I've been seeing new scooncy things filter in every week for the last couple of weeks. These might be new also. They feel really rubbery. They also have them in these colors. And the browns. They even have the snap cover rollers here. Like, they really put in a bunch of rollers. The spiral curl rollers, little ones, big ones. They even put in some hair beads. This is new. Spiking glue. You get 3 of them by Old Spice. Ooh, what's this? Smells nice. I've heard that this is amazing for everyone as a lotion, and you don't have to have diabetes to use this. I've heard that it's amazing. I also heard that this is amazing to use as an ointment. They have lots of sunscreen here for cheap. Super cheap, $1, 4 ounces. Kids sunscreen, 30 and 50. Fresh berries, marula oil, 11.25 ounces. Coconut water. I think these are dupes for Dial. And they have the big soft soaps here. This is definitely new. Lavender and vanilla body wash. You get 24 ounces. And they have the hydrating cocoa butter. They added a couple more scoonsies. I just love these ones with the pearls. They're so pretty. Ooh, and they have the blues. Look at all these, you guys. Whoa, you guys, look at this, 75 ounces for $1. This is definitely a great deal. And of course, they have the super huge 48% more Comet powder. They also have a 33% more Ajax with bleach for $1. Definitely a nice deal. This is definitely the highlight of my trip. Wow, 75 ounces for $1. I am so happy right now. But all right, you guys, I'm out of here and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.